In today's video, I'll be sharing what are the dropshipping strategies that I apply on my drop servicing business. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel, I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'll be sharing 3 dropshipping strategies that I apply on my drop servicing business. These strategies are the strategies that I often apply on my drop servicing business, and these strategies help me to increase my drop servicing sales. In total, I have built 3 dropshipping stores. I started dropshipping since 2015. What I've learned from each and every dropshipping store, I have applied the same strategy. So one of the popular strategy that I used was free plus shipping strategy. So if you are not familiar with this, a lot of e-commerce stores are actually applying this free plus shipping method. So what is free plus shipping? Free plus shipping in terms of e-commerce is you offer a free product on your website and the customer only need to pay for the shipping. It is very effective in getting your client to add to cart. Many people will think that it is a very good deal because it is a free product and all your customers need to do is to just pay for the shipping. But in fact, the shipping cost has already covered the cost of the product itself. So right now, the question is, how do I apply free plus shipping strategy on my drop servicing business? This strategy is ideal for beginners in drop servicing because you can easily find clients to work with. Firstly, you can offer your service for free and get more testimonials and reviews plus portfolio from your client. This way, these are your marketing assets. And the marketing assets is very good to boost your drop servicing brand. Another way that you can implement free plus shipping strategy onto your drop servicing business is by offering the service at a very low price and then slowly charging clients according to their requirements. For example, if somebody engaged you to do a logo design and the free service could be just a draft or just an impression of the logo design. So after your client is satisfied with the draft or the impression, then you can charge them for a higher resolution or a different format of the logo design. This is quite similar to an upsell. At this point, you might not be making tons of profits, but it is okay because as a beginner, we want to work with as many clients as you want, as long as it covers the cost price. Meaning to say, if your logo design that you have gotten from Fiverr freelancer and it is at $5, then make sure that whatever you are going to upsell need to cover that cost. The next dropshipping strategy that I applied on my drop servicing business is getting free traffic from online marketplaces. If you have been following me, you know that I'm a big advocate for listing all your products and services on online marketplaces. I started most of my dropshipping stores on online marketplace. I know that I can get sales pretty fast if the online marketplace that I'm using have good amount of traffic. For the very first dropshipping business that I have set up, which was dropshipping furniture, I did not have a website to start with. And for my second dropshipping business, I did not use online marketplace. I straight away opened an e-commerce website. I run both dropshipping stores concurrently. The result for both stores were very big different. For the furniture one, the profit is 100 times much more than the one that I run solely on my e-commerce store, which was an e-commerce website. So right now, for my drop servicing business, majority of my traffic comes from online marketplaces. It is very effective for my dropshipping store as well as for my drop servicing products. I wouldn't say that all online marketplaces are free. Please do note that some online marketplaces you need to pay for the listing fee. For example, if you list your design services on Etsy.com, each listing fee will be 20 cents. But a 20 cents per listing is really very low, so I consider it as free traffic. And finally, for the third dropshipping strategy that I use on my drop servicing business is the upsell strategy. This is a very common strategy used by any retailers or any e-commerce business because it is very effective and it will help increase sales tremendously, no matter you are selling a product or selling services. One good example was my furniture dropshipping business. I started off selling a lot of mattresses. As time goes by, I start to do upsell, and it has proven to increase my sales 10 times. Some of the examples of the upsells were bundling the bed and mattress together, or upselling complement furnitures like bedside table or dressing table for that particular bid set. As for my drop servicing business, I like to create upsell bundles to increase my drop servicing sales. So one of my most popular services are my video editing services. So I bundle these together with video marketing, social media marketing, transcription, and many more. When it comes to comparing both business models, the dropshipping and the drop servicing, I still prefer to focus more on drop servicing. Firstly, it's a B2B business. That means I'm able to help businesses grow their business or provide services that can help their business. And with that, if my clients are satisfied with my services, it has very high possibility that the client will stick to you and continue using your services. When it comes to recurring client and recurring income, then drop servicing is the ideal business model. In less than 2 weeks' time, I will be conducting my very first virtual group coaching called the Drop Servicing Accelerator Programme. If you are interested to join my growing drop servicing community and you want to learn more about this drop servicing business, I will leave the details below. I'm really very excited to impart my drop servicing knowledge to you guys. So I will be speaking to you more in my Drop Servicing Accelerator Programs. Please do not hesitate to leave any questions you have for me about drop servicing in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!